technology, Harsha. Today we are making logo for any industry or any website purpose or anything. Let's go. Type, open the Chrome and type, place it and go to that website. You can get like this. Choose on the options. Select logo and you can go with logo maker. First you want to enter your name, what your brand name or anything, what your YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel name. I'm making gaming logo. You can get many logos of your branding name. You can change the colors or name to different. You can choose graphics also. I am choosing graphics. If you choose graphic, that symbol comes with that design. Tap on your favorite pic and go to. You can change the colors. I'm changing into blue background. Yeah, here we go. You can change the different colors. I'm removing of souls. I'm keeping the text. You can change the font also. I'm changing the color now. You can upgrade to your favorite color. Take the screenshot and crop your logo to exact logo position. Yeah, here we go. I'm typing LUNAPIC. Go to that website. For your convenience, go to first you upload your pic, your logo. I'm uploading my logo. For easy purposes, we are converting into disk site. Go to the options, go to the Chrome options, more, click on more and type and click on desktop website, and you can get edit in top of the screen. And last, click transparent background and click on the photo. You can get the logo without background. You can save it. Click on save. Your logo is ready. can place anywhere you want in videos or in your site or anything. In LUNAPIC you can edit different types of photos also. This is a easy way to make logo in 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. This is signing off Technology Harsha.